Hey guys, it's Beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I filmed this hairstyle for you. Well, it's actually two versions. It's this high version and then the low version, as well as how to style the bangs and the flips. And yes, I've been wearing them so much lately, like both versions. So I figured I'll just film a video for you guys. That way you can rock it too. So if that is something that you are interested in, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna put in oil in my hair. This is the lightweight coconut oil, and I'm going to use, it's like a squirt. That's it. This product can go such a long way, so I don't really want to use too much. Typically, I'll use this while I'm blow drying my hair. Like, I'll get my hair 80% dry, and then I'll put this in my ends and then finish off drying it. But I let my hair air dry last night, so just put it in now. And I think I'm gonna start off with the bang area. That way I can set them and move on to the rest of my hair. So here are my bangs, and my flat iron is this Kristen S1. I really like it, and I only use it at 365. That's the lowest setting. You don't need this to be super hot. Like, it's kind of my pet peeve when people use their flat irons at a super high temperature. Oh, the hummingbird out the window. You don't need this to be at a super high temperature. You're just gonna be frying your hair off. So I'm gonna start off with a section back here, and then taking my flat iron, I'm going to curl this like that. Doing this motion to provide root at the lift, lift at the root, and then continuing that curl motion towards the ends. And see how it already naturally curls? Going to then take a clip and pin that into place. Setting your hair while it cools ensures that your hair is going to maintain that shape. So moving on, just doing that same thing. This motion, if you want to practice that. Then just adding that to the clip. And then I'm going to leave that in my hair while I completely finish my whole head. So for the rest of the head, I'm going to work from the bottom up. So just going to section it about right where my ears are and go back. And I can't find a clip right now, so I'm just going to use the scrunchie. And if you have super thick hair, this is probably going to be way too big of a section. You can just cut that in half. I'm just going to use this one. And taking a section, I'm going to be flipping it under. So the motion is like this. And we got a nice little flip. My hair actually prefers to do this naturally, so it doesn't really take too much. Then we're just gonna continue to do that up the head. Okay, so then once I finish my whole head, I like to go back over and kind of smush all the hair together in the iron. And then I'm going to take out the clip, and it's gonna look a little crazy, you know, but I'm going to like part this down the center, and then I'm gonna start combing these bangs down. I definitely think that curtain bangs take a lot of patience because you kind of have to play with them quite a bit to get them exactly how you want them to look, at least for me. And so this side's looking good. I also like to do this motion. The neighbor across the way is staring at me. Okay, so this looks pretty good. What I'm gonna do, see how this side is like way more curled than this side? I'm gonna take my flat iron again, and I'm going to go vertically and curl this back like that. And see how we just completely calmed that down. I honestly need a trim on these, like the cut is a little funky right now. It's okay, make it work. Okay, so I kind of look like I have a mullet right now. I'm just gonna pull this backwards. The way I've been loving it is 2 ways, so I wish you could stop staring at me. So awkward. So we can do it one of 2 ways, low or high. If we do low, I just take this section here and I just start twisting it back until I like the way that it looks, and just pin it into place. Gosh, I've never seen her stare so much inside my window. And we're just gonna repeat on the other side. So just twisting this backwards, even. Okay, so here is the first way. Simple, cute, love the way it looks. And then the second way is wearing it high. Which, do I have a ponytail over here? So for this way, I'm going to, all right, let's go about the temples. Feel where your temples are. And go straight back. And then, of course, leaving the bangs out. I'm gonna comb this upwards. Ponytail. Make sure it's nice and high. And then I don't like to leave the ponytail out. What I do is take a piece of hair from the back, because that hair is typically longer, and then spin it around the ponytail holder, and then bobby pin it in the back. And if you need to fix, oh, that hair is not cooperating. I have to add that to the ponytail. And voila, this is the half up, half down pony. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this very quick, easy hairstyle video. I have literally been wearing both these hairstyles constantly. I just think it's really easy. It's really cute. Let me know what you thought down in the comments below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.